40 Days of Prayer. Week 2. Day 11. Kingdom through church planting. Luke 17 verses 20 to 21. My wife always says, "You notice everything." Sometimes it is said with a sprinkle of admiration, and other times it is said with a splash of annoyance. I am observant, and if I wasn't called to vocational ministry, I like to think I would be a gritty detective who brings justice to the streets. I like to characterize and categorize my surroundings. This personality has benefits, but most of the time, it has to do with control. I observe and categorize so I can have control over my environment. The Pharisees approached Jesus, with predictable interference when they ask him, in Luke 17, when the kingdom of God would come. What they were asking for was control. Jesus has a magnifying glass on the meditations of their heart, as he often does in these exchanges. And answers. The kingdom of God is not coming in ways that can be observed. Nor will they say, "Look, here it is," or "There." For behold, the kingdom of God is in the midst of you. Luke 17 verses 20 to 21. In other words, the kingdom of God will not be observable through culture, creed, or power structure. It won't be formulaic or able to be controlled. The kingdom of God will be observable through the presence of the King. I believe cities can be changed through church planting. However, church planting that seeks to garner their own kingdom, or control a city will fail. Church planting that seeks for, and chases the presence of the King, will prevail.